Hey guys, George from Heat Transfer Source. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use our inkjet dark/printable transfer paper. And the reason people call it printable, because when you get the paper, if you notice, there's a white thin film on top of the paper. And that's where you print your image on. You could use any inkjet printer, no special inks, just regular inks. What we're using here, it's an Epson 7710. And again, just regular inks. So this particular paper, you could use, you could decorate light shirts, dark shirts, polyester, nylon, and a lot more fabric. So what we have here, it's a Wonder Woman logo with pictures inside the logo, as you can see. What we use here is Photoshop, Adobe, Illustrator. You could use GIMP, or you could use any art software. Okay, so once we print it, this is how it comes out, right? And what we do, we use a Graphtec cutter. And if you notice these marks around the image, what it does, it's for your cutter, whether it's a Cricut, Cameo, Graphtec, Roland, whatever the case is, it has an optical eye so it could read around the image inside these marks. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weed off what I don't need. So let's do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Tweety light. You see that with the light, LED light? Pretty cool, huh? So I'm gonna remove the film, as you can see. Just slow and easy. I'm going to teach you guys a pretty cool trick too, just in a second. I'm almost done taking this whole film. You see how elastic it is? And I'm going to use my hook to remove the inside of the circles. See how easy that hook makes it? Helps me remove it. Let's not forget the D. Don't you just hate when you forget to take these out? Okay, I forgot one more. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the film from the paper backing. So I'm going to use a heat mask. Now we do sell these individually. It's called a heat mask. Or the trick here is you could also use the film from your heat vinyl. So every time you press your HTV onto a shirt, save the film, because you could use it with the inkjet dark printable transfer paper. Okay? So it's a little tip there for you guys. So I'm gonna lay down the mask and squeegee. And the mask is reusable until the tack goes away. And how do you know it's gone bad? There's no more tack. Easy as that. Okay. Okay, once you're done squeegeeing, I'm gonna remove it slowly. You see how that's removing it? I just like to rotate in a circle. See how easy that is? And bang, I got my transfer. Now what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna apply heat vinyl, which I cut and weeded already, to give it another extra touch to the shirt. So let's press it. All right, so I got my transfer here. I'm pressing the 100% kind from Gildan. So I'm just gonna apply it and put it right in the middle. Hopefully it doesn't come out crooked or my mom's gonna kill me. So put it in the middle. You need your heat press at 360 and press it for 20 seconds. And you want to cold peel. It's about 2 beep. So to take it out, I'm gonna use my cooling block, what the cooling block does, it shocks the product that that you want to cool, right? So it absorbs the heat from the heat vinyl. So I'm just gonna cool it off. And you can actually feel it. All right, and then you wanna, it's cold already. You wanna go ahead and peel. Look, this is how it turned out. I got all this glitter, and I'm gonna lay it on top. You know, I see how I cut it. So now I gotta match the vinyl with the design. All right, I'm almost done right here. Okay, this is how it looks. I'm just gonna grab what we call release paper, parchment paper. You can also use Teflon. Just lay it on top so it can protect it from the heat. Now you do have to lower your temperature to 300 if you want to put heat vinyl. So I'm just gonna press it for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna use my cooling block because you do want to peel this cold. I love this cooling block. Makes life a lot easier. Okay, once that's done, cool to the touch. Just check that out. Now I'm gonna remove the film. Check it out. Oh, I actually forgot to take one out. I hate it when that happens. Check it out. Mama is gonna be happy. Hopefully. So again, this is our dark inkjet printable transfer paper. You could use any inkjet printer, no special inks. I do get questions about the washing. As long as you as long as you wash it at low heat and dry it at low heat, the transfer will outlast the shirt. So if you wash it at high heat, you're gonna have issues. If the shirt shrinks, the transfer doesn't, so it looks wrinkled. Again, wash it at low heat and dry it at low heat, and you're not gonna have any issues. See you guys soon.